Hey folks, thanks for joining us today. Today we're making the Unicorn Poop soap, and it's a rework. We've made it even more kid-friendly, so we can't wait to share it with you. We'll start out by mixing up the colors. For the white, we'll use titanium dioxide dispersed in water. Then for the blue, we're going to use bikini blue. For the pink, it's pretty in pink. Purple, we're using purple Playdate. And these are all available from Candora soap. These are neon, so we disperse them in olive oil. It helps them to mix better into the final soap. For making the soap, we'll start as usual by adding the lye water solution into the oils. I barely stick blend it this time because we want it nice and runny, because we will have to use the stick blender to blend in the colors. We're using really bright neons this time. We want to make sure that kids really love this soap, and so it's going to be a lovely bright palette. So we're starting with the pink, and this soap is not going to fill the whole mold. For the drop swirl, I'm actually dropping it from a pretty high height because I wanted to go all the way down to the bottom of the soap, and as you'll see in the cut, that was accomplished. What you're seeing here is the unscented version, but we do also have a scented version that is scented like candy, and we get great feedback on it every time. Kids just love the smell of it. I scrape out the containers to put a little drizzle on top of all the colors, and then I use a popsicle stick to do a little swirl. Once I spritz it with rubbing alcohol, it's time to put the soap dough embeds that we've coated in this shiny gold mica. In future iterations, we actually used melt and pour. We found that it was a lot simpler to work with. So now we'll put the holographic glitter on. This is biodegradable glitter, eco glitter from Windy Point Soap Supplies. And then I spritz it with rubbing alcohol and it's all done. You can see from the cut it is swirling all the way down to the bottom just like we wanted. The loaf that we're cutting here is the scented loaf. So this one has the unicorn horns that are made with the melt and pour, and we decided we liked it better also to put the glitter underneath and then the horns on top. So that's how our future soaps for Unicorn Poop will look. You can see these soaps are quite a bit smaller than our usual soaps, and that's because they're perfect for little hands. This soap is available on October 21st at tubbytabby.com, so you can grab it then. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more in the future.